Hi, we're Group 3 and we're gonna explain the macOS lab activity from 1 to 7. Boot the macOS X system. If you need to provide logon information, enter your name and password and press enter or return. Notice the menu options in the menu bar at the top of the screen and record them. Next, observe the bar that appears at the bottom of the screen. This is called the dock. Point to each icon in the dock to see what it does and record some of the icon names. Click the Go menu at the top of the desktop. From here, you can explore files, view the network, access the iCloud Drive, and open application and utilities. Click an open area of the desktop to close the Go menu. Click Apple icon at the far left side of the menu bar. Click About this Mac to see information about the system. Explore each of the 6 tabs in the About this Mac. Click Help on the menu bar at the top of the desktop. Click Mac Help. Type using USB devices in the Spotlight search box, which includes a magnifying glass icon. Press Enter and notice the range of topics from which to choose. Close the Mac Help window by clicking the red button on the upper left side of the window. An X appears in the button when you point to it. Click Go in the menu bar at the top of the screen. Click Utilities, double-click Terminal. Use the scroll bar if necessary to find the terminal icon. Type man ls and press Enter to view documentation about the ls command. Press the space bar to page through the documentation. Press Q to exit the documentation and return to the command prompt in the terminal window. Type LA and press enter to see the listing of files similar to those you saw with Fedora. Click the terminal window at the top of the desktop and click Quit Terminal. Close the utilities window and stay logged onto your Mac OS X computer if you are continuing the next project. Examine multitasking in Mac OS X. Start your Mac OS X computer and log on if necessary. Double-click Macintosh HD on the desktop. Double-click the application folder. Double-click Text Edit. Notice that Text Edit is added to the dock when you start the program. Click the application window to bring it to the front and double-click Calculator. Calculator is added to the dock. Click the application window and double-click Safari. Note that you can also start Safari from its icon in the dock. Click the application window to activate it. Note that that the Go is displayed as an option in the menu bar at the top of the screen. Next, click Go in the menu bar and click Utilities. Double-click Activity Monitor in the Utilities windows. Make sure that CPU is selected at the top of the Activity Monitor window. Click the percentage of CPU column, heading to sort programs by activity. Notice the changes in CPU activity as you close the window in the following steps. Click the Utilities window and close it. Click the calculator on the desktop or its icon in the dock to bring it to the front. Click Calculator in the menu bar at the top of the desktop and click Quit Calculator. You can also click the red X on the upper left side of the application window. Close Text Edit and Safari. Note any changes in Activity Monitor. Close Activity Monitor. Notice that the icons from the application you just closed are removed from the dock. Shut down or log off your Mac OS X system. Point to Go in the menu bar and notice its options. From here, you can open various locations on your computer, including network locations and iCloud Drive. Point to Window in the menu bar and review the menu options. If you have multiple windows open, you can move through them using this menu. Point to help in the menu bar to see the spotlight capability for searching. Move the pointer to a blank area of desktop and click to close the help menu. Project 2-10. Review the application and Mac OS X. Log on to your Mac OS X computer if necessary. Go into the menu bar. Click applications, scroll through the available application, double click dictionary. Dictionary is an application that enables you to quickly look up the meaning of a word or determine its spelling. Type type of folder in the spotlight box. Read the definition of for folder, close the dictionary window, double click text edit. The application window, like most OS, Mac OS X has a basic text editor. Close text edit, double click Safari in the application window. Safari is the native Mac OS X web browser. Close Safari, double click Launchpad in the application window. Launchpad provides another method for starting application in Mac OS X. Click Notes. Notice that you can only need a single click the application icon to start it. Leave Notes open. Click the Safari icon in the dock. Press and hold the green magazine button in Safari. And then slide the Safari window to the left side of the screen until it snaps into place. Double click the Notes window. It snaps into place on the right side of the screen. This is called split view. Close the Safari window and the Notes window. Close all the application window. Log off or shut down your Mac OS X computer. Step 3-5. View hardware information in Mac OS X. Start your Mac OS X computer and log on. Click the Apple icon in the top left corner of the menu bar. Click About this Mac on the menu. The About this Mac window not only shows the operating system version, as you learned in Chapter 1, it also shows the number of processors, the model name, and the speed of the processors, plus the amount and type of memory installed. Click System, Report in the About this Mac window. Make sure that the hardware is highlighted in the left pane. Here you learn more about the processors, including the speed, the number, of course, and the amount of L2 and L3 if present. In the left pane, click Memory under the hardware. The right pane shows the information about the number of memory slots and the RAM plugged into each slot. Close all windows but stay logged in for your continuing if you're gonna continue the next project. Project 3-6, use Activity Monitor and Mac OS X. Ensure that the Finder is active by clicking Finder in the dock if necessary. Click Go in the menu bar and click Utilities. Double click Activity Monitor in the Utilities window. Make sure the CPU button is selected to display CPU activity. A small CPU meter is displayed at the bottom of the Activity Monitor window so that you can allow the current CPU usage. Also, as you learned in the Chapter 1, the upper portion of the window shows the amount of CPU used by each active program or process. Click the Memory button in the Activity Monitor window. The, mon- the monitor window gives you the information about the amount of RAM used by each program or process, and the bottom portion of the window provides statistics about memory use. Right-click any of the column headers, such as User. You can choose which columns should be displayed. Click Bytes, Written. Right-click a column again, and click Bytes Read. Find these columns. If you click the This button at the top of the window, you can click and drag the columns to put them in any order you want. Close Activity Monitor and any open windows, and log off or shut down your Mac OS computer.
So, now that we're logged in, we press the finder in the docs, then click the Go button at the menu bar. Then click Computer. So it takes us to Macintosh HD. Then after that, you will see many folders here. So double click the users folder, then you should see a folder for each user account of the system and a shared folder also. So double click your account's home folder, which has a house icon. Then once you open it, it contains a combination of folders and files. So you will see many folders here, such as downloads, movies, musics, pictures, and etc. Then after that, click the menu file at the top of the desk, the menu bar. Then once you click it, click new folder. After creating a new folder, change the name to folder 1 is the folder name, then press enter. After that, click the folder 1, then press the three dots at the top right of the file window. Then once you click it, click compress folder 1. So you will notice that a new file named folder1.zip is created in your home folder. Then click the Go menu at the top of the desktop, then click Utilities. So here you will see many apps. So all we're gonna find is the terminal. So double click the terminal in the Utilities window. Once you open it, so type in the ls, then press enter. So you will view the contents of your home folder. So then you will also see the folder you created and the previous step, which is the folder 1. So we're done. Moving on, the next project will be creating aliases with Mac OS X. Mac OS X includes the Get Info option to allow you to view file types. Also, aliases are a useful feature in Macintosh file systems. Just like shortcuts in Windows, aliases let you create custom icons and names to place on your desktop, menus, or elsewhere to point to the other applications. Aliases give you multiple ways to access the same application and let you easily place these access points in various convenient locations. So in this project, you can view the file type of an application and create an alias. So first thing to do is to click Finder as usual, then click Applications. So from here, find the contacts. Just click it, but don't double click yet because we're not gonna open the application. So next is click the file from the menu bar at the top left, then click Get Info. So review the information you see, then afterwards close the contacts info window, but make sure that contacts is still selected. Then click the file menu again and click Make Alias. If necessary, click to move the cursor to the box under the contacts icon and change the text to insert your initials before contacts. Afterwards, so Click the new alias, then click the three dots on the top right. Then you can put it elsewhere in the finder. So just so we're gonna put it in here, applications, then copy and paste. So the new alias is copied to the right side of the desktop. And to and if and to check if the alias is working, so double click the alias on the desktop to see that if it opens. So for our fifth project, we're gonna see the document installed software in Mac OS X. So this project helps you document the installed applications in Mac OS X. As always, we click the finder, then after that click the go and drag your cursor down to applications. After that, you will see the applications folder that displays all installed applications on your Mac, including those that came with the OS and those you installed manually. So scroll through the applications. As you can see, all of these are the apps that I installed, and some of these are already installed with the MacBook. After this, take a screenshot of the applications folder by pressing Shift plus Command plus 4 and then dragging over the area that you want to capture. So drag your cursor to so that the applications folder will capture. Then the screenshot is saved to your Mac desktop. After this, close the applications window. Then if you only want to view the list of applications you installed from the App Store, click the Apple icon, then you will see the App Store option. So click that. Then if you want to see the your purchased apps, just sign in with your Apple ID, then click your profile, then you will see all of the installed apps. So we're done here.
Project 6.8. Use system preferences in Mac OS. This project is about how to use the system preferences on a Mac to adjust the keyboard, mouse, and display settings. Its purpose is to help learn where and how to change your Mac basic system settings, like how fast key repeat, how the mouse moves and clicks, and how to adjust the screen resolutions. Project 6.9. Install a network printer in Mac OS. This project shows how to add and set up a printer that's connected to your network using the printers and scanner settings in the system preferences. Its purpose is to to connect your Mac to shared or network printer, install the correct printer driver, and check the printer status and print queue. And lastly, for Project 7.6, use the disk utility in Mac OS. This project is about teaches you how to use the disk utility on a Mac to view details about your hard drive and learn how to partition disk. Its purpose is to help you understand how to check disk information like storage, space, format, and type, and how to view partition details. It also introduces basic disk management tasks that help maintain or organize your computer storage.